From struggle born in ancient days, a spark of insight lights the haze. Where chaos once would block the way, new patterns rise and start to play. A mind that opens heart away begins to see what we can make. When change is not a force to fear, but something drawing us near. Innovation starts to bloom, where outdated ideas lose their room, and fresh perspectives find their place. With optimism, calm, and grace, the world evolves with every thought, not by the rules we once were taught, but through the courage to explore beyond the walls we held before. Shape the mind, we now embrace a broader kind, a way of thinking built to share, with unity and conscious care. Creative change becomes the art of crafting worlds and shaping heart. We learn to trust the flow of life and soften instinct born of strife. Innovation clears the way to build tomorrow from today. A transformation wide in scope, rooted deeply in